We started out this morning with some sunshine and mild temperatures, and now this afternoon we are starting to see at least a little bit of an increase in cloud cover out ahead of some scattered showers and thunderstorms that will continue to impact the area throughout this afternoon and even into this evening. We're starting out dry this afternoon for St. Mary's, seeing that increase in cloud cover there. And temperatures starting out at 79 degrees, but taking a wider view of Doppler 6 satellite and radar, you can see those showers and thunderstorms beginning to form off to our west. Most of our area is still dry this afternoon, but we are seeing a few of those isolated showers popping up into Somerset County, Bedford, and an isolated shower or two popping up just to the south of Johnstown. But our better chance at picking up some rain will be into the later afternoon and especially into this evening. And any storm that does develop today will have the potential to bring some gusty winds as well as some localized downpours, as our entire area under that level 1 marginal risk for severe weather today. But the biggest threat is definitely going to be those downpours. We could see some very high rainfall rates in any storms that do develop today due to that very high humidity. So we do have that flood watch in effect through this evening for the counties highlighted in green here, as those downpours could produce some localized flooding issues with high temperatures this afternoon, pretty seasonable for this time of year, as we're looking at highs today into the low 80s. 84 for State College today, 83 for Clearfield in Indiana, and 80 degrees for Johnstown and Somerset. And we will continue to see these steady, near-average temperatures for the next week or so, with high temperatures remaining steady into the upper 70s and low 80s through mid-next week. But we really aren't going to see too much relief from that high humidity, as it still is going to be feeling very humid out there today and also into tomorrow. By Friday, we'll see a little bit of a cool down with high temperatures into the mid to upper 70s. A little bit lower humidity for the end of the work week, but then those dew points will be on the rise again as we head into the weekend. But taking a look at futurecasts throughout the rest of the day, we'll see a few isolated showers through the early afternoon. Better chance that shower and thunderstorm development will be into the later afternoon into this evening. Again, any storms that do develop today could bring those localized downpours as well as some gusty winds. Rain will gradually taper off as we head into tonight. Starting out tomorrow morning with partly cloudy skies, temperatures into the 60s and 70s. And then by tomorrow afternoon, we'll see a good amount of sunshine, and it looks like a good amount of dry time as well. We'll see the chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm as we head into Thursday afternoon, and we'll follow a similar pattern heading into Friday. Starting out with partly cloudy skies, temperatures into the 60s, and by the afternoon, we'll see some cooler temperatures with highs into the mid to upper 70s, and just that chance for an isolated shower. So even though we are in a pretty unsettled stretch of weather for the next week or so, we really aren't looking at any complete washouts. We'll just see that daily chance for at least an isolated shower or thunderstorm into the afternoon through early next week, with high temperatures hovering right around average for the next week or so, as we'll continue to see highs into the upper 70s and low 80s through early next week.